Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to create a brand new wallet in Rainbow Wallet step by step in a very simple and beginner friendly way. Rainbow Wallet is a secure and easy to use crypto wallet that supports Ethereum, NFTs, DeFi and Web3 apps, and it is perfect for beginners who want a clean design with strong security. So if you've just installed Rainbow Wallet and do not know what to do next, this video is for you. So let's get started. First, you need to tap on the Rainbow Wallet app on your icon here, and on the next screen you'll see this option for either create a new wallet, or if you already have one you can select that. What you can do is tap on the get a new wallet. It just automatically creates a one, and at this point Rainbow Wallet automatically generates a new Ethereum wallet address for you. This address will be used to send, receive and store crypto and NFTs, and your wallet is created instantly, but it is not secure yet. And that is it, and you have successfully created a new wallet in Rainbow Wallet. You can now receive cryptos and Ethereum and tokens, store NFTs, connect to Web3 and DeFi apps. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and comment below, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment and we will reach out to you very soon.